I said I just bought the sizzle bean. Mama, where I leave my memory? Probably the same place I left my ID. Hey, 1800s, bubbling in a nigga's stomach. 3 girls, so that mean I'm in here juggling. She might have a man, I might have a girl, but neither one of them at the club, so who give a fuck? Arrived on the scene with some booty shaking hoes and they not the twerk team. All these hoes got their hands on their knees. I said all these hoes got their hands on their knees.
I will make you a sunset view. So you tell me what to do. Then your arms involve my knee. I will make you a sunset view. I will make it so you tell me what to do. Then your arms involve my knee. And you never wanna be with me. I will make you a sunset view. I will make it so you tell me what to do.